Hi there, this video is to show you how to use my meal planner Google Sheet. So we have a Google Sheet here and you've got tabs at the bottom. First, if you click to the README, the instructions that you are seeing now will be available to click on in the YouTube video once I'm done with this video now. So this is an example of how to use the meal planner. You've got your days of the week here. You've got the week of here. Everything is editable and printable, customizable. So if you wanted to change any of these cells at all, if you wanted to change your day of the week or anything like that, all you have to do is just click in the cell, hit your backspace or your delete key, and then write whatever you want to write. It's that easy. You wanted to write brunch, go for it. Anything that you want, even the week of, you can say, June 1st. However you want to write it is perfect. Now you can also print this out. So you just go to File, Print, and then we're going to do the landscape, and then we're going to fit to width. Let's do normal, fit to page. Okay, fit to width is the best one. So print, fit to width, landscape, hit next, and then you can print it out and it'll print out each one of the pages for you. Okay, now I've got a blank meal planner here ready to go. So you're welcome to just customize this for however you want. You can print this blank one out and have it for the week as well. So you would just put your breakfast in here. And there you go. So you can print this out and put it on, your fridge. If you want to change the color, you can just highlight these cells, click the fill color button, and then change it to whatever works for you. So that's how it works. And if you would like to purchase this, it's available at savvyandthriving.com. And I hope you have a wonderful day and happy planning.